Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes, students. So let's start our English class. Yesterday, in our last class, we had completed chapter which was The Lost Camel. And today we'll start the poem which is The Balloon Man. So let me share the ebook with you. This is the poem, The Balloon Man. As you can see on your screen over here, poem Balloon Man. This is poem Balloon Man. So let's start reading this poem, start reciting this poem.
The red is red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the charts and the people get between. You see them shining far away,
Stop.
and the sun are
Stop. Mansha, start reciting. Do you know from where you have to start? Mansha, do you know from where you have to start? Mansha, do you know from where you have to start? आपको पता है कहाँ से start करना है?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Then quiet. Why are you not looking into your book?
Ma'am, big say big.
How many of you know? Raise your hand. From where you have to start? Yes, Rishika. Start reading. Start reciting.
And some are big and some are small, are tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky.
Quiet. Shubhrat, start reciting. From starting.
Someday,
From starting. What were you doing? Look into your book, okay? Yes, start.
He again
Always.
always comes on making day and holiday.
Holds. Holiday is written. It's holds.
Horse, balloons, and love
A lovely
beach.
bunch.
A lovely bunch. And in the making
Market.
market square he stay
Yes.
and never some to think of lunch. They red and purple, blue and green are when it is a
Sunny day.
The crafts and people get between. You see them SHING dribbling for again.
Shining far away. Yes, Shiksha.
And some are
Stop.
big. And
Shiksha, start reciting from where he stopped. शिक्षा, you are not audible. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Yes, Alka. Start reciting.
And some are big and some are small at all together with a string, and if there is wind at all the tug like anything. Some days first he will let them go and will say see them sailing high
Sailing
and
high. Sailing high. Sailing high.
sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky.
Stop. Yes, Sudiksha. Sudiksha.
He always comes to market days and holds back a lovely bunch, and in the market when he sits and never seems to think of lunch. They red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the craft and people get between you see them
Shining far away.
shining.
Yes, Yashwant. Start reciting.
Okay, ma'am. He always come on the market day.
No,
He
no, not
holds
from there. Yashwant, not from there. From where Sudiksha stopped. You have to recite from there. Sudiksha कहाँ से stop हुई थी? Do you know that?
Ma'am, and some are big and
Yes.
some are small.
Start reciting from there.
And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is wind at all, they fuse like anything. Someday preparation he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky.
Stop. So students, we all recited the poem. Whoever has not recited, they all have to recite the poem at your home. Understand? घर में अच्छे से recite करनी है poem 2-3 times. Okay, so let me explain this poem for you all. This poem is basically about a balloon man who comes and spread happiness everywhere. He always comes in market.
मैम आपने लास्ट कैमल के क्वेश्चन आंसर करा दिए हैं.
Yes, करवा दिए हैं बेटा. You can find it on WhatsApp group. So here this is Balloon Man, as you can see, and this poem is all about Balloon Man. He always comes on market days and holds balloon. He always comes on market days and holds balloon, a lovely bunch. A lovely bunch. Lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. You can see this is Balloon Man, and Balloon Man always comes in, most of the time comes in market days. Whenever the day of market comes in any town, then they come. Market days में आते हैं Balloon Man, and they hold balloons. क्या रखे होते हैं वो अपने साथ? Balloon, lots of balloons रखे रहते हैं. And in the market square he stays. और जो मार्केट का स्क्वायर होता है वहां पे वो खड़े रहते हैं बैलून सेल करने के लिए. The balloons are red, purple, blue and green, And when it is sunny, जब सनी डेज होते हैं, वो अपने लंच के बारे में भी नहीं सोचते हैं कि हमको खाना खाना है, हमको कुछ मील लेना चाहिए. They didn't think about that. Understand? And in sunny days, who is touching the screen? Do not touch the screen, Siksha. Nobody will touch the screen. Fold your hands and be silent on your place. The balloons are red, purple, blue and green. The balloons, as you can see, ये red, purple और green होते हैं. When it is sunny, जब sunny day होता है, जब बहुत ज्यादा सूरज चमकता रहता है, the carts and people get between. बहुत सारे carts means गाड़ियां जो होती हैं वो आगे पीछे आती रहती हैं. You see them shining far away. आप फिर भी उनको दूर से चमकते हुए देख लोगे balloons को shine करते हुए. And some are big and some are small. कुछ बहुत बड़े होते हैं, कुछ बहुत छोटे होते हैं. They all tied together with a string. ये सभी एक string से tied रहते हैं. This is called a string. And if there is wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. जब बहुत ज्यादा हवा चलने लग जाती है तो वो उड़ने लग जाते हैं and balloon man उनको खींचने लग जाता है, तो वो tug करने लग जाते हैं हमको. And if there is wind, tug, and some day perhaps he'll let them go. शायद किसी दिन ऐसा आए कि बलून मैन उन बलून्स को छोड़ दे, जाने दे जहां पे जाना चाहते हैं विंड में. And we shall see them sailing high. और हम लोग उनको हाई, जब वो हाई हवा में सेलिंग करेंगे, हवा में ट्रेवल करेंगे, तो हम उनको देखते रहेंगे कि बहुत सारे बलून जो है वो हवा में सेल कर रहे हैं. And stand and watch them from below. हम यहीं से खड़े होकर उनको देखते रहेंगे. They would look pretty in the sky. ये सभी जो है आकाश में बहुत प्यारे लगेंगे जब ये, अगर बलून मैन उनको let it go कर देगा, छोड़ देगा, जाने देगा. So this is the poem all about. Again, I am going to recite this poem for you. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and cart and people get between. You see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he'll let them go and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. So this is the poem. So now move to the exercise of this poem. Who is he? Who is he? Can you tell me who is he? He is a balloon man. Who is he? He is a balloon man. So let's write the answer. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand. He is the balloon man. He is the balloon man, full stop. When does he come? When does he come? He comes on market days. He comes on market days. You all have to write all the question answers of this poem on your notebook. What does he hold? He holds a lovely bunch of balloons. What happens on sunny day? No one sees the balloon. The carts and people run away. The carts and people get between and you can see the balloons shining far away. And the answer is C. The carts and people get between and you can see the balloon shining far away. Describe the lovely bunch in his hand. You have to describe the lovely bunch which is in his hand. So here is the answer. There is a lovely bunch of balloons of different colors like red, comma, purple, comma, blue and green. Full stop. This is the answer of question number 5. Yes, Yashwant.
मैम 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 ये सारे कोई आंसर मैम मैम सेंड कर देंगी क्या मैम?
Yes, I will send all.
मैम
I will send you all these answer on your WhatsApp group.
मैम थैंक यू मैम.
You want to write it right now, then it's okay, you can write it. Otherwise, I'll send you all the answers on your WhatsApp group after some time. What happens to the lovely bunch on the windy day? And the answer is Shubhrat, stop touching the screen. How many times I have to say you the same thing? Please do not touch the screen. Huh? Stop touching the screen. Shubhrat, stop touching the screen. Write down, start writing. Do not touch the screen. And complete the question and answers. Now move to the next question, which is question number 6. What happens to the lovely bunch on a windy day? On a windy day, the balloon man the balloons on a windy day, the balloons of the bunch tug and tug. On the windy day, the balloons of the bunch tug and tug. This is the answer of question number 6. Well, there is not much space also to write all these answers. I hope you all have written all these answers up to question number 6. 7th is, what does the poet wish he will do someday? The poet wished that one day the balloon man will let the balloons go. The balloon man will let the balloons go. This is answer number 7. Next is describe what the poet wished to see the sky. See in the sky. So let's write answer number 8. So answer number 8 is the poet wishes to see the balloons sailing high and thinks how pretty they would look in the sky. Answer number 8. Yes, Yashwant.
Ma'am, my answer number 6 is not completed, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send you all the answers separately on your WhatsApp group. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand? Don't worry. I'll send you all the answers on your WhatsApp group after some time. Clear? I hope that there is no doubt. Now, move to the next answer, which is, yes, Alka?
मैम ये वाला क्वेश्चन नंबर ये वाला हम लोग कॉपी में लिख सकते हैं?
Yes, if you want to write, then you can write. Otherwise, I will send you after some time on your WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, what happened if I need to tick the correct option? Ma'am, ये book work है? Ma'am, answer number 9 बता दीजिए.
Yes, I am going to tell you. Don't worry about that, Siksha. Pick out the words that rhyme with bunch, green, string, and high. Here we have to find out the words which rhyme with bunch. The word rhyme with bunch is lunch. Understand? B-U-N-C-H. The rhyming word is lunch. L-U-N-C-H.
Morning
Next is green. The rhyming word of green is, Shubhrat, off your mic. Rhyming word of green is between. Next is the rhyming word of string is anything. Next is the rhyming word of high is sky. Is that clear? I hope that you all have written. If you have not written, then you can write after some time when I'll send this on your WhatsApp group. Read the last stanza of the poem and draw it. You have to read the last stanza of the poem. As you can see here, the last stanza of the poem is this. This is the last stanza. You have to read the poem, last stanza of the poem, and you have to draw the picture of the same. You have to draw the picture of this last stanza. इसको read करना है आप सबको, and you have to draw the last stanza. What does that means? It means कि balloon man ने balloon को जाने दिया है, खोल दिया है, and the balloons are sailing in the sky. The balloons are.
Ma'am, balloons बनाना
Stop
है.
touching the screen, Shubhrat.
Ma'am, balloon बनाना है.
Yes, the balloon which are sailing in the sky you have to draw. स्क्रीन को टच मत कीजिए, कोई भी स्क्रीन को टच नहीं करेगा. अंडरस्टैंड?
Ma'am, balloon
Yes, you
Ma'am,
have to draw. Yes, you have to draw a balloon which are sailing in the sky. जो हवा में तैर रहे हैं वो balloon बनाना है, and the picture of balloon man. You have to draw. Understand? Now let's write the word meanings of this chapter.
balloon and balloon man. The balloon man.
Let's write the word meanings of this chapter, this poem actually. Off your mics, please.
Ma'am.
Off your mic.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
I will share, don't worry about that. Off your mic first of all. First is sail, means float. Number 2 is tug, which means pull. Number 3 is string. String, that means strands. Number 4 is bunch. That means bouquet. These are the 4 word meanings of balloon man. Write it down on your notebook if you can.
Ma'am, my work is completed, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
Very good, Rishika.
Ma'am, my work is completed, ma'am.
Nice. So I'll send you all these word meanings and question and answers of this chapter, of this poem on your WhatsApp group. Understand? And from our next class, we'll start new chapter which is Harry.